When you're going through a breakup, the pain can literally blind you. Your judgment is being clouded by the pain, the intense emotions that you're feeling. You can't even give to yourself advice. But what happens if someone asks you for advice? You will be there for them and you will be able to give them a good advice. Stick with me because there is a point to what I just said. I'm Coach Goldman, your relationship and a breakup coach. And in today's session, I want to reveal to you a healing technique that helped hundreds of my clients. I've been testing this technique for the past, I would say, 4 months, and I waited to perfect it in order for me to be able to bring it to you. Super simple and beautifully done. So the healing technique just goes like this. What would you say to your kid if they're going through a heartbreak right now? That's the name of it. If you have a better name for it, bring it. But this is the best I could find. Even if you don't have kids, so just think it's your nephew or whatever. Just don't pick hairs with me, split hairs. It's just you understand what I mean. Just a kid. So speak to them. Speak to them in a way that they can understand. The reason that I say it's a kid because this is their first love. I say, let's say your kid, this is their first love. They come to you, daddy, with their eyes just crying, daddy, my boyfriend left me or my girlfriend left me. I will never love again. I don't know how I can continue living my life. There is a lot of pain, a lot of emotions. They will express everything to you, right? They will say it. And then it's like, I don't know how to move on. What would you say to them at this moment to help them snap out of the pain and come back to center, come back to life, come back online? What would you say to them? You'll tell them, oh, you'll never find anybody else. It's not going to work. Like your life is shit right now. No. But why do you say this to yourself? See where I'm going with this? You need to say this to yourself. You need to say, you're going to find someone. It's okay. This is your first love. I know it's painful, but there is someone special for you. Gonna be okay. You're gonna say all these things. The reason that I wanted you to talk to a kid because I want you to dumb down your language and speak in a very coherent way that it's easy to understand. Because you actually speak to yourself. You don't speak to an imaginary kid you just made up. You talk to yourself. When you talk to yourself and you say it's gonna be okay, you're gonna be fine. Just remember the first time your heart got broken, you were fine. Now you're good. This technique will help you. It will help you tremendously if you apply it properly. It's pretty simple. It's not that complicated. It's just if you need to write down how you feel currently, I will never love again. I have a lot of trust issues, like whatever, everything in your breakup. And then copy and paste this pain into the spirit of a kid, a body of a kid. And then see this kid speaks to you. What would you say to them? How would you soothe them? I do this all the time with my clients. It's a beautiful healing technique that I made up based on my uh, background, a little bit in psychology, NLP, behavioral analyst, and all that. So I came up with this, and it fits, it works, it works. So I asked them to tell me about their pain. Then we copy and paste the pain to the kid. After we copy and paste the pain to the kid, we say the kid speak to the adult, and then the adult, my client for this matter, needs to speak back what you're going to say and everything that the client says. And then I write it down and say, oh, now say it to yourself. And when they say it to themselves, you already got the answers within you. That's the beauty of it. And we already know all the answers are within us. And this is a way that I help you guys extract the answers from within you because you already have it within you, but you need guidance and you need help. If you need some extra help, you can get the Rise of the Phoenix, my online healing coaching program that I've created it especially for you guys. I'm offering it now for only $37 for a limited amount of time. I want you to heal correctly. I want you to go through it the right way because the quality of your life will be determined in the quality of your healing now. And the quality of your next relationship, it's how well you heal now, what you do now, how you go through it now. Are you growing through it or are you barely making it? If you need some more help, you can book a one-on-one call with me. All of the resources that you need are here for you. are available for you. And I know that sometimes when you're watching YouTube videos, it takes you on a spin. And I made videos about stop watching breakup content, because if you're just watching breakup content and you're not actually applying that and turning it into wisdom, you just staying stuck in this pain. That's not what I want for you. I want for you growth. I wish for you love and strength, and it's built. It's built. It's not just handed to you because you went through a breakup. God says, give you strength. God gave you this pain to alchemize it into beauty. And this breakup happened for you and not to you. You always need to remember that. That's the perspective you must have. It happened for you, not to you. It's for you to elevate. It's for you to find a better, just even just becoming a better person for your next partner. And let me tell you, my breakup, when my ex cheated on me, she actually prepared me unknowingly for the relationship that I have right now. And it's the most beautiful relationship I ever had in my life. She's the one. How it happened, I needed to break down and I needed to rebuild myself into the man I am today. And the same happened to my partner. She needed to break down from a relationship and build herself. And we met at the same spot because we did the work. We did the work that I'm telling you to do all the time. When you do the work, you magnetize an equal. When you magnetize an equal, the life that you're going to live, it's going to be so different. The life you're currently living or lived up until this point, because you attracted everything into your life based on who you are, based on your vibration and based on your frequency. When you adjust your frequency and raise your vibration, that's it. You magnetize an equal and you live life differently. You live life more fulfilled. And this is what I really, really wholeheartedly, from the bottom of my heart, wish for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next one.